Hey there, folks. Welcome back to my channel at Algeo Art. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of the harpy eagle, also known as the strongest bird in the world. So, buckle up, and let's learn some interesting facts about this incredible creature. Did you know that the harpy eagle is the largest and most powerful raptor in the Americas? It's also the largest eagle in the world, with a wingspan that can reach up to 2.5 meters. Talk about impressive, right? But wait, there's more. The harpy eagle is not only the strongest bird in the world, but it's also one of the most powerful animals in the entire animal kingdom. That's right. This eagle is a force to be reckoned with. Now, let's talk about the harpy eagle's hunting techniques. This eagle is a master of stealth, and it's known for its incredible ability to silently glide through the trees, searching for prey. Once it spots its target, it swoops down with lightning speed, using its powerful talons to take down its prey. Interestingly, the harpy eagle is a solitary bird, and it spends most of its time alone, hunting for food. It's also a nocturnal hunter, which means it's most active at night. Did you know that the harpy eagle is an endangered species? Its population has declined significantly over the past few decades, and it's now listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. The main threats to this eagle's survival include habitat loss, hunting, and the illegal pet trade. So, there you have it, folks. Some fascinating facts about the harpy eagle, the strongest bird in the world. We hope you enjoyed this little adventure into the animal kingdom. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.